Oh, 4:15 Sunday morning. Trying to get up. Not for you. And go back to sleep. Stinky. Getting these subs in quickly. Creating this salt in the water. Celtic, however you want to say it. I don't really care. Put a bit of cayenne pepper in there this morning. Just want to see if it has any different effect. Definitely takes the sting out of the creatine. There's a bit of spice in it. Multivitamin. 3 teaspoons. 7 C's cod liver oil. I need to have it before I put it away. By the way, I am well aware that my hair is starting to look like a freaking pineapple. It'll be getting cut tomorrow. Hopefully the hairdresser's open. She's been off of COVID, bless her. But I desperately need a haircut. Right, so that's all that done. It's time to go to the car and head off to the gym. Harbour looks lovely this morning. Looks like it's going to be a lovely day as well. Doesn't look like I'll be going to sleep this morning after the gym. Did get up a bit later anyway, about an hour later than what I wanted to. Must be coming up 5 o'clock soon. So I'm walking up to check when I get in the car. That's beautiful. It's Sunday, 28th of July, Sunday fun day, and we are off to Barbell Gym, Bar and Barbell, and I am certainly starting to feel that leg workout from yesterday. I can feel twinges in my thighs, in my hamstrings, which is good, in my ass cheeks. We know we did something good there. If you don't feel like that after your leg day for the next couple of days and you're struggling to sit down and whatnot, then you probably ain't doing it right. I woke up with a very dry mouth and a bit of a sore throat, which to me means I'm snoring. And I've noticed this for the past 2 or 3 days. Snoring ain't good for sleep. If you're snoring, you're having broken sleep. You're not hitting REM sleep. So I'm not sure what's up there. Whether maybe it's because I've gained a bit of weight, not just fat, but muscle. That's what kind of happens when you start getting to that. So today I'm making an effort to buy a new pillow. I'll be ordering one online, a new pillow, like a special one for aligning your spine and everything, and a snoring aid, which looks like a gum shield, like a boxer would wear, kind of thing, and it holds your jaw forward, the bottom part of your jaw. So it stops your tongue from resting. I don't know whether it's on or falling down the back of your throat or something like that. That's what happens, and then you have your broken sleep, wake up gasping for air. Not good at all. Not good for REM. So I'm making a conscious effort to order them today. I even want have you seen them jaw trainers? It's basically like a bit of rubber, and you put it in, and you just clench your teeth like like that. I'm gonna order one of them, but I think you get like 2 or 3 in a box, all different resistances. Because I feel, since I had this bad tooth over here, I tend not to chew on that side. So now, don't know whether you can see, if I tense my neck, I've got this big long muscle down this side where I chew, and then this is like disappeared, which to me is, I'm not chewing this side of the jaw very often, so I'm going to get an imbalance in muscle. You'd be surprised where your neck muscles can tilt your head and everything like that. So I need to make a conscious effort of also training neck, maybe in an accessory day, as well as forearms and stuff, just to get that balance back for both sides. Also, that jaw thing, it obviously gives you more defined jawline, the more square kind of jawline, which is more prevalent in males due to testosterone, and also it tightens up the muscles in your face. So yeah, apparently you can get rid of bags underneath your eyes and things. As for gym, today we are doing back and biceps. Holy bejesus. Back and buys conquered today. Oh my that last set of hammer curls, Jesus, that did a number on me. My grip, my biceps, top of my lats. Ooh, that was a good workout, yeah boy. I don't know if you noticed, but I found the original hashtag MBI vest. It doesn't fit as well as it used to, but it's something to train into, if you know what I mean. I just need to get that waist a little bit lower. I do notice that it's very tight around my midsection. But thoroughly enjoyed that. It does make it. I always thought, you know, the gym I go to through the week that I've been going to there for, I don't know, 4 years, 5 years. Nice gym, nothing wrong with it at all. It's got everything you need, and I've always had that mentality of there's everything you need, and you can kind of figure out ways to do extra stuff or something like something, if you know what I mean. But oh my god, it makes a difference of having the correct machine there and things like that, and everything's just a hand, so much more space. I'm enjoying it again. I'm really enjoying it now. I've just left the gym. All I can think about now is going back to the gym in the morning. I can't wait. What am I going to do next? We've got tuna with a bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil in there, and some apple cider vinegar. post-workout, pre and post, yeah, my bad, post-workout protein. It's now 7:10 in the morning. Just got my Lion's Mane drink. I'm gonna put out the washing, and then we're gonna take Baby. I'm gonna take you and Echo for a walk. They've woken up now. Looks like it's playtime. The other great view in town, probably my actual favourite. And this walk, this is the ideal walk. It's got plenty of hills, plenty of steps, actual steps, not doing steps, and it's about an hour, which is ideal cardio. Get it. Hello Charlie. Hello son. Good boy, ain't you? Yeah. Cardio workout up the horse field with future wife and dogs. Underneath all that sloppy stuff, solid ground. I need to dig it up, just like there it is. So I need to dig it up, and that's going to be a lot of hard work, a lot of good cardio. Yeah, this afternoon's cardio. Hey, go! Where's mummy? Go, 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 go! Stage 1 complete. All the bog gone. Grass seed down. Next stage over there, another day. Future wife filling up water bucket.
Go away.
Look at her lovely face.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't know if you can handle it. I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart,
What's the
you can kiss
matter?
my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya?
Oh, it tastes salty.
Got one of them little high protein meals from Lidl's. Spaghetti bolognese, 28 grams of protein, a few grams of carbs, a bit of Frank's hot sauce. Nice little meal. Echo, you're in my seat. Down. Bye. This will probably be the last meal of the day. Got strawberries, raspberries and blueberries, and I'm gonna have this pot is for 500 grams, so I'm gonna have 250 grams of natural yogurt because Sasha hasn't got any yogurt, so she has to have half of mine.
What do you think I do here all day while you're in front?
Look at that washing up. See the washing up. And then it will be bedtime after that. So until tomorrow. #MBI. Stop hiccuping. DP out.